Hello, I'm Wicked Wendy, and welcome to my library. Hi guys, how are ya? We're doing another unboxing today. I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite boxes. I actually have been subscribed to this box for over a year, and I'm finally gonna make a professional video about it, and they much deserve it because they put a lot of love, a lot of care in their boxes, and I've never been disappointed. Get our box cutter. We're gonna open up our Manga Spice Cafe box. It's so cute. This is actually masking tape. It puts so much detail in their boxes. I love it. Alright, let's open her up. Okay, you guys are gonna get the first look into it. Ooh, who do we got on the front today? Number 38. Really cute design. They always have little cute maids every time. Okay, every box comes with this little pamphlet. It tells you the theme, about the artist, what kind of snacks you got, in case you can't read Japanese. And yeah, let's see what this theme is. So this is Penny-chan. It's a kid. And I'm a maid in training at Manga Spice Cafe. Training is great, but I wish I could travel in time and become a full-fledged maid now. Oh well, we may not be able to time travel, but we can with manga. Check out this box I made for you. It has Asian snacks, a drink, and manga transport to use a new time and place. Oh, so this theme is time and place. Nice. Okay, well we're gonna leave this open because most of the time I don't know what's in the snacks. Have you guys have a first look at everything that's in the box. Does it look yummy? What is that dish? Let's start with the nudes. Like some nudes. You know what I mean? Barbecue chicken flavor. My husband's gonna be like, claim. You're gonna love that. Check that out. Heck yeah, it looks yummy as hell. Ooh, what we got here? Okay, these are definitely for my husband too. He's gonna love this box. We got hot chili spicy chips. Alright, I cannot do spicy food because it will destroy my guts. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Brown sugar milk tea drink. I love the drinks. They're always something different. I never have got two drinks the same. I'm like, how many drinks does it got over in Japan? That's a lot. Oh, look, it's like a little goodie bag. Went and put a bunch of little snackages in here. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, this looks like some kind of strawberry marshmallow. This is kind of like a mint. You see that? Yeah. Got some sprinkles. There we go. Right here. Cold as Dre, dang it. Nah. Sorry about my hands. I was at a tie-dyeing party Friday. And, yeah, my hands got pretty messed up. Oh, here's another little marshmallow. With a Hello Kitty on it. It has something in the middle. I love stuff with the middle. I love these. I get these at Five Below all the time. The panda cookies with a little chocolate on the inside. Freaking love them. Ooh, and a little like mushrooms, where it's like the stem of the mushroom's cookie, and then the top of the mushroom, the cap, is all chocolate. Oh my god, that's some good stuff. I sure know their snacks, man. That's why I love it. Ooh, cheese flavored corn. These are pretty good. Oh my gosh, look, it's like ice cream, but dry freeze. Oh god, this stuff is the shit, dude. Like, dry freeze ice cream is just so freaking good. I just love the texture. It's like edible chalk, but it's not like chalky tasting. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. And of course, every box comes with chopsticks, because you gotta have that to eat in it. And my personal favorite part is the manga. good. I don't know if you can tell. There's one shelf of my manga shelf. She's been getting full because of this. Especially if I find a series I like and I'll buy more books of it. I'll forget about it. If you want to build your manga collection, I highly suggest this box. Manga Spice Cafe box. It's $45.99 a month. And honestly, you get that with just the books. Like here, I'll read the prices and the titles to you. Throw that over there. Okay, so the first one we got is Cosmo Familia. Can you see that? It looks super cute. I love the colors on this. Very nice. Yeah, this one is $12.99. And then we've got, surprise, a kid from the last dungeon. Boonies moved to a starter town. What a mouthful, but I love the freaking cover of this. It looks really cute and fun, you know what I mean? This one is $10.99. So let's round up. So we got 11 and 13, so that's $24 just in 2 novels. And then this one, The Misfit of a Demon King Academy. History's strongest Demon King reincarnates and goes to school with his descendants. Oh my gosh, that sounds like fun too. So $35 just in the books. Now sometimes I'll get some books that will say they're like for 20 bucks because they're like this freaking thick, and you're like, gosh dang it, Manga Spice Cafe, get it, you know what I mean? But yeah, these are the books that come with it. Alright, now just to show you everything that comes in your box. 50 bucks. That is a great deal. All this for $50? Forget about it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of the Manga Spice Cafe. You can find them on Cratejoy. I really love Cratejoy. Actually got 2 different other boxes from Cratejoy because they have a really huge list of just boxes you can buy. And they got boxes for fitness, for witchy stuff, for tarot reading, for manga and art, and like kids and men, and the list goes on and on. Like, I would highly suggest, if you really are interested in subscription boxes, check Cratejoy out. You won't be disappointed, and you'll find something you'll like, guaranteed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and stay wicked. Bye!